Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Kingsize credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Kingsize credit card, open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in c.community.net/Kingsize and press enter on your keyboard, and you'll end up in this page where you can easily access your credit card account. Simply click on the sign in link at the top of the screen and the login area will be displayed on the right hand side of the screen. Type in your username in the first text box associated with your account and head over to the next field and type in your password. After you are done typing in your credentials, you can click the sign in button, but in case you don't remember your username and your password, simply click on this forgot username/password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your information. If you don't have an online access yet for Kingsize credit card, click on this register now link and follow the instructions in order to register yourself. Once you are done typing in your credentials and after clicking on the sign in button, you'll be able to log into your Kingsize credit card account quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.